Storms ongoing right now from Helena up towards Medford. These are not severe, but just in the last couple of minutes, Storm Prediction Center just sent out a severe thunderstorm watch. This goes until 10 p.m. for basically far northern Oklahoma. It does include Kay County here. Any storms that move in tonight will have the threat for strong winds, 60 up to 70 miles per hour. So we'll watch those storms go up into Kansas, and then we'll see a few more additional storms develop around 8 o'clock from Woodward, Alva, Medford as you make your way towards Cheyenne. These storms are going to linger well into the overnight, although the intensity should be coming down a bit across the main body of the state, other than some heavy rain there out across the panhandle. So nice to see the rain on the radar. And it'll make a run down here towards Oklahoma City by early in the morning, mainly in the form of just a few light showers.